Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your hairstyle using Photodirector. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to change the hairstyle. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the AI Magic Studio button at the bottom. Click on it. Now from here, you guys can see lots and lots of options, but right now what you have to focus on is simply the AI portrait style. Right here, you can see a button like this that says AI hairstyle. Click on it right now. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply select an image of your choice. I'm gonna select it right now. As you can see, I have selected the photo. From here, it's gonna provide you with these few options: female, male, or custom. Well, it's up to you. For now, I'm simply okay with male, and I'm gonna scroll down, and these are all the hairstyles that are available. Let's say I select one right now. And guys, as you can see, the AI here is being generated. This is it, guys. This is how you change your hairstyle using Photodirector. It's quite easy. There are lots of other options as well. And do note that each generation costs about 2 credits. This is it, guys. This is the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.